Hi, I'm Marty, the co-founder of Career Day. The reason I'm speaking with you is because I want you to be successful in finding the job you want and enjoying the process of getting it. You got to do the legwork. Some of my suggestions are to research the companies you want to apply to, then watch the Career Day videos and take the quizzes, and then apply for the job. Your resume now will attract the recruiter's attention because you have included all of the important information the recruiter is looking for. Once you get the interview, you're on your way. So you're asking yourself, what's next? Well, the next step is preparing for the interview. It's okay to be nervous. Everyone is. One thing that will help you is to know what questions the hiring manager will ask when you show up for the interview appointment. There are 10 questions that are asked in almost every interview. Don't worry, we got you covered. We have the list right here. Ask a friend to ask you the questions. Have them do this at least 3 times. Practicing does make perfect. It'll help you feel more comfortable with the interview process. When you combine researching the company to help you understand the culture and practicing the questions, you're bound to ace the interview. After the interview, write a thank you email. This will help you stand out from the other applicants. And if you can, write a thank you note and mail it. That would be exceptional. One last piece of advice. Make sure you're 5 minutes early for your interview. You never want to be late, even by 1 minute. That's it for now. I appreciate you listening to me, and I'll see you later.